Good morning, VinylStudio users. Today we're going to take a look at a Windows error that crops up from time to time, which affects users running Windows, I think Vista or later, and I'll show you now what that is. So it happens when you try to record or check the recording level, and it's this. There was a problem accessing your recording device, whatever it is, reported error 8889000E, which is not very helpful, but fortunately there's a very simple fix, so I'll show you what that is. So dismiss this box and then click on Recording Controls while holding down the Shift key. And when you do that, this window pops up. Let me just drag that into shot for you. There you go. So there's a list of your recording devices. So you need to select the relevant one, which in my case is Line In. Then Properties, and then Advanced. And if you look here under Exclusive Mode, there's a checkbox, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, and you'll see that that's not checked, and that's the cause of the problem. So if we check that, click apply, or OK actually is better, click OK, and then OK again, finally click retry, and you'll see now that the error is gone, the recording level indicators are moving, and if I check monitor recording, we should hear some audio.
Good night, ladies. Ladies, good night.
Bit of Leonard Cohen there. Okay, so that's it. That's all you need to do. Hopefully the setting will then stick, and you shouldn't have any more trouble. Okay, thanks for listening, and bye bye.